difference the day makes. It's beautiful today. We're going up to the mailbox. We're going to mail a letter.
Why didn't we put them across the road anyway?
Because they're all on the one side of the road. It's in the direction of travel for the person that delivers the mail. I used our action camera the other day when we were on the boat, and we really don't know how to use these very well, and you can tell by the videos that we're getting. Anyways, I've reformatted this and I'm going to charge it again, and we'll see what we get from the next few videos. They work. It's like potato camera. Potato vision, I guess. Well, let's charge this. Oh, welcome. Okay. I think it's doing its thing. Leave it there. Working in the furnace room. So we're going to insulate this wall and build a closure, I think, for this. And finish the other side of the wall. That's all stuff I used to do, and I don't do it anymore unless I'm doing it for fun. So that looks like fun. I'd like to get that closed. This is the sewing room, as you can tell, the sewing machines. I see a cool mat here. It's old fishing rope from lobster traps. I wonder how they tie. Oh, they whipped it in over there. Yeah, that's where they start it and stop it. They've just got zip ties. That's great. That's yeah, that's great. Makes a good mat. Insulated. Done. Now we have to close that in. Put a couple of little extra pieces up there. So that won't get closed in today. We'll do that another time. Almost out of insulation, which is good. I wonder if there's anything else I can insulate before I shower and get unitchy. That next. Let's get rid of that. We abandoned the gardening when it started to rain so hard yesterday. But now, get rid of this. Look at that weed. It's the thing that was crawling through the trees. Somebody left the key on last night. It was me. Oh well. Got a battery booster pack that's dead. So we're charging it. I might bring the tractor over and boost it. It works now. Okay, let's give it another whirl. Take it outside so I don't make such a mess on the floor. It works, Ian. Let's go cut wood. Let's go cut wood. It's too hot. What do you mean it's too hot? In winter it's too cold. This is project number 2. Yeah, it's a leaf blower. Fuel filter was plugged. Well, that's wouldn't pump gas up when we primed it. So clean that out. put it back in there. And put it together and try it again. While I have the carb off, I'm just going to clean out the bottom as well. See, make sure there's nothing in there. You don't want shmoo in there. Shmoo ruins everything. Well, most things. See the tiny speck of stuff over here? That causes problems. Here's a problem too. Our inlet is stuck. Let's see if we got it clean enough. We'll just try. Didn't. Take it apart again. So we got to get into the guts of this thing. There's a plugged something or other. I can't force anything through there. Tried compressed air. You don't want to go too crazy with compressed air, though. So you could blow things apart. Right. Okay. Taking it apart. You don't want to have anything on that little screen. Well, you don't want to have anything in here. This looks pretty good. Ideally, you should get a new carb kit, but we don't have a carb kit handy. So we're gonna do what we can. Clean this up, put it back together, see if that works. What I think the problem was one of these little flaps was stuck. So yeah, I can blow through it now. I put this back on. I'm pumping the primer.
See, I could never do this without you.
No luck. We need a carb kit. Okay. Taking the high and low jets out. Blow some air through those. That last little adjustment I did, I took compressed air and blew it out without the jets in it, and that seems to have loosened something up in the carburetor. So we're going to try it, see what results we get. It now pumps fuel, which it didn't before. Oh, let's give it a whirl. The jets need adjusted.
Hey?
The jets need adjusted. It's alive. I'm gonna leave it till later to adjust it. We've got to get out. We're going out to one of Ian's buddies' places to go swimming. So better get cleaned up. I went swimming. The water's nice. We're back from swimming. Went swimming at one of Ian and Mary's friends' place. They live in a cottage association type thing. There's a community pool, so we went there. It's a beautiful day today. Man, what a change from yesterday. Just relaxing on the porch. I've fixed the chainsaw today, leaf blower, and insulated a room. Busy day. I'm not going to do anything else for the rest of the day, I don't think. Almost sunset time. That means it's almost bug time. We're designing a sprinkler system.
It's either that or do from the top and
It's a tree.
have it come down.
That's a rock.
Wet this.
Got married on these rocks over there.
It's very hard to
Right
capture.
here.
It's not like he said.
I'm going to wrap it up here. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow I think I'll tune up that leaf blower and set the carburetor properly. Just hopefully see if that's what the problem is. It does need a carb kit. It hasn't run, it was found out, in 15 years. So it probably needs a carb kit. Tell your mom to order a carb kit.